Hello everyone, welcome to Mondays with the Mortons. Caitlin and I are here again. Behind us is Kyle and Olivia from Drivin and Vibin's Argosy Airstream, and we have been working on this project with them for about a month now. And today I was gonna walk you through what they're doing and where we're at with this project. So this is about what it looks like every day. We've got tools, we come and we park over here. Our truck's a mess, we got stuff going on everywhere, but it's a work site. We're gonna walk around the outside here a little bit. Kyle's over here.
What's up?
Kyle, could you tell us a little bit about what you've done with the Airstream from the outside?
Yeah, so before all the beautiful work has been done on the inside, we did so much here. The Mortons were actually with us at the very beginning of the summer, lifting this entire frame or shell off of the frame. Once we got that detached, we lifted the whole frame up about 4 inches, put big tires on there, got custom wheel wells made. In case of a blowout, we'll have extra security. Aesthetically, we took off the ugly orange stripe and revealed the natural aluminum behind it. So we're gonna polish that up, give this thing a fresh paint job. And I have to say, Olivia and Caitlin did a wonderful job replacing 4 of these windows that were so crazed and hazed, and they're looking clear as ever. So a lot of work has been done.
Well, here's the backside. What do we got going on over here today?
So we're trying to get this brand new water heater installed with everything this old and this customized. It's just a whole day's work to get anything begun and maybe finished, but we had to trim down this hole a little more. It never feels good cutting into the aluminum walls, but it had to be done. This sucker is going to get on here though by the end of today, looking pretty. Most importantly, we're going to have an effective and efficient water heater so we can be boondocking for longer.
It's a big challenge because this thing is round in every regard. There is no flat surface, and this water heater is kind of at an angle, so that was a bit of a challenge to get fitted in there.
Most definitely.
Here on the outside, we also put a new air conditioner up top. We'll go inside in a moment here, and brand new fantastic vents. So it's gonna be a pretty nice ride. So you're gonna paint this thing?
Yeah, Olivia is.
Olivia's gonna paint it.
She's the painter. I'm going to polish this out and get a, oh you. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna polish this out. But look, I did these. They look great and brand new, right? We added this little license plate mount.
That is shiny.
Yeah, it is shiny. I need to get this to match it up. So hopefully we'll get this painted a beautiful white, but then you'll be able to see a reflection in the aluminum stripes.
And it's starting to rain on us. How about we take a look inside this sucker? Hello, girls. What's going on in here today?
We cut the hole for the oven.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Here's the new stove.
There
Isn't that pretty? In here we've got the bed, which is going on up here. They've got these really cool storage compartments down here that they're working on.
Sorry.
Underneath the bed, there's also the water tank that sits up front. All the water pump and everything is going to be over in this corner here as well. And this is going to lift up for storage underneath the bed.
Yeah.
When we got here, what did it look like?
The whole thing was still gutted. It didn't even have the walls up. So like the day that we got here, they were actually like ready to start putting the panels up. So we got to be here for all the fun stuff where, you know, you're seeing progress day to day.
It's got aluminum walls all the way up.
Yep.
We put these LED lights in the ceiling all the way down, which are pretty cool. Got them on sections so that we can turn them off like that.
Set the mood.
Yeah.
Got
like
the
just
new
Olivia.
new fantastic fans.
Brand new air
AC,
conditioner. I think by the time you're done with this, pretty much the only thing that's going to be original is the shell.
Yeah,
and
the aluminum panels and the frame.
The frame, even the floors, a new subfloor.
Exactly.
So a brand new trailer in a vintage body.
Yeah, the best of both worlds. Modern and vintage in one.
Over here, we built this cabinet for the refrigerator, and they did decide to go with a standard compressor refrigerator because we've put in quite an extensive electrical system. Down here, we have 500 amp hours of lithium battle-borne batteries and a little storage area. This actually folds down into a bench, which is pretty cool. At the end of the batteries over here is where all the electrical is. And I don't have great light back here right now, but all that's going on in here, the magic of all this electrical, I'm gonna do a dedicated video on this system. Thank you for bringing a little light in. We've got a Victron system here, Victron Multi-Plus, Victron charge controllers, and also the Victron color control display here that shows what's going on with the system.
So one thing that Tom and Kyle worked on while me and Caitlin were fighting with the windows was building these great overhead hanging cabinets here, which was a bit of a challenge trying to figure out how to mount it on the curved wall. So what they came up with was this metal L bracket on the top and the bottom that they riveted into the skin and the ribs, and then they screwed the wood into that. So it is like super, super sturdy. It's not going anywhere. I'm super happy with how it turned out, and it looks great. And we even put some inset lighting under here. And I've got an outlet up here and here that Tom installed for me. So it's gonna be a great, super functional kitchen. And then once we get this counter stained and sealed, I have this beautiful sink that we're gonna undermount here, and it's this like nice matte black, and we have a beautiful faucet that we kind of just stuck in there to see what it would look like. It'll be coming out soon, but I am really, really excited about how everything's coming together so far.
Where you have a beautiful door that's gonna go in here, and
a vintage door that we salvaged and refinished, and that will separate the whole front living area from the bathroom area. And we also have closets here. Me and Kyle can each have one, and underneath those is where the brains of the battery system lives, over here, and the hot water heater over here.
And then back in here is going to be the bathroom. Kyle's been working on a custom shower pan that's going to come over here, and this will become the shower space. We're going to do a vanity here in the center. It's the only last piece of furniture we haven't built. And then a composting toilet will go in this corner over here. Well, there you go, guys. Just a quick update of really what we've been doing for the past month. As you can tell, we're really excited about this project. It has been a lot of work, but we've had fun doing it. It's been pretty awesome.
Yeah, and Kyle and Olivia have been working so hard on this that we're very happy that we could be here and get them back on the road. We're very excited about that.
Lots of adventures to be had in this rig in the near future.
Check out their channel too if you're not already subscribed.
We'll definitely put a link to their channel and their website in the description below.
Thank y'all so much.